Hello everybody, welcome back. For today's video, I wanted to finish up our journey through the Vault Collection from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. The last remaining palette is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. If you haven't seen the 3 previous videos I have done using the Vault Collection, I will link those all down below. When I first got them, I also did a swatch video, which I'll put here. And with that, let's get going. I got bit by a wasp yesterday, or stung. I don't know, I think they sting. But, minding my own business. I was actually in the bathroom washing my hands before my creative writing class, and I felt a pinch on my neck. I thought maybe I had pinched myself with my backpack strap, and then I saw in the mirror a little waspy. So I said, shit! And I flicked him to the ground and I stomped on him, and it hurt yesterday, but now it like itches super bad. Anyway, I did prime my eyelids using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and we're also going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Master Collection brush set from Morphe. I've been loving these brushes. Let's go in with Axis, and I'm taking that on the JH30 from the Master Collection. It's just a fluffy eye blending brush that is very, very yellow. Very yellow. This is not a color I have ever used before, so I'm a little nervous, but the blend is fine so far. I want to take Secure on the same brush. And then on the JH36 Agent, these shadows are a bit softer than most Morphe shadows that I'm used to. Is that going on green? Did this brush used to have green on it, and I forgot to... Yeah, that's what happened. From my last look, I hadn't swirled off any of the pigment. So, we're looking a little green today. Let's cover that back up. This eye is green. Okay, so to make it a little more even, I'm going to take the tiniest bit of Top Secret just to even out the weirdness that's happening. Just the tiniest touch. There's hardly any pigment on the brush right now. Not how I was expecting this to go, but it's okay. And then I want to bring Top Secret inward. It's looking kind of muddy, but that's just my color choices. And then I'm gonna blend over that with some more Agent. It is the color of actual baby poop, but it's blending. Not every eyeshadow look that you do is going to be fantastic. Live and learn, baby. Live and learn. Kind of keep up with that green feel. I'm going to take Coin. It's kind of a really greeny gold, and I'm terrified of it. On the JH41 which looks like this. I don't like how this look is going, but we're just gonna roll with it. The shadows are doing fine. It's just my application. Let's take Guilt Trip on my same brush, the JH41. You add a little bit of glitter and everything works out just fine. And there's nothing on this brush, and I'm just going to blend and make sure everything is seamless. And now with the JH42, this tiny little curved brush that I adore, I'm going to take, as always, VIP and highlight the brow bone. I like to bring my highlight down a little bit so it meets up with the other shadows so there's not a gap. And then I go back and I blend it all together. No harsh lines, especially on our eyes. Such a pretty highlight. I'm going to apply my base makeup and I'll be back. I did my foundation and I set everything. Let's dust her off. Shall we? On the lower lash, I'm going to take a little bit of access on the JH36. On the same brush, I'm going to take Top Secret. I'm going to really smoke this out pretty far. On the JH37, I'm still going in with Top Secret. This is just a little bit more precise to get right in the lashes so there's not a gap. I'm blending. Still with the JH37, I wanted to take Prowl. Focus that nice and tight right on the very outer portion of the lower lash. On the JH39, this very precise pencil brush, I want to take some Guilt Trip. Blend it. Let's build up that highlight again with VIP and the JH42. Okay. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and I'll be back to show you guys the final look. What to put on my lips? What should I put on my lips? I'm going to apply On Display, one of ColourPop's Luxe lipsticks. That's this look completed. I give the Jaclyn Hill Vault 4 out of 4. All of the shadows have performed remarkably well for me with the quality and blendability that I have come to expect from my Morphe shadows. I understand that some people did not have the same experience with their shadows that I did, and I imagine that's very frustrating. I was lucky enough to get a set that I adore, and I look forward to using these shadows more and more and more. I hope you guys enjoyed our journey through the Vault Collection. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel before you go. There's lots more tutorials headed your way. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Alright, I'm going to apply my base makeup. Ow! Can you not? Whoa.